The way I understand it. You get where I'm coming from?
Yes.
So now you see that after the apostle received tithes, you see offering still a give.
Mm-hmm.
And what I give to them on a land house. I remember Paul never there when the apostle received tithes. Tell me if the apostle then give Paul some money out of it. That the money they done. So when he done what? When it finished what? So therefore it take food first, oil and these stuff. When farmer plant and agriculture, then now exchange into money. Now if we ever go back now and be realistic. No. How much people in a church have farming, land, what do you call land? Old Testament, all of our, most of our ancestors, and land and agriculture, they do. Things and time change.
Yeah.
I want that. You get me a call?
Amen.
All different type of engineer that. You never hear about the engineer in the Old Testament. All different type of stuff. And what they do, they generate an income.
Yes, sir.
Half of their qualification.
Yes.
So now we have to do some calculation. No. You get me a come from?
Yes.
That people have understanding. So based upon for them farming land, then get food from it. You see exchange, as you said, is true. To money, then you convert back, you can use back. You see money and buy back food.
Amen.
You get me I come from? So now we see in the New Testament, the apostle they receive tithes. Martha and man received tithes who witness of the resurrection. Stupid. That their money, when them distribute to those who are in need, after time they're done. Because the apostle them don't have no time to go do business like Gina. They have no time to take that money and turn it over.
Amen.
I want to understand. So Paul coming in our midst now. You see that holy people may not talk carnal mind people. Holy people know the importance of the work that the apostles and ministers that come through them, how important it is for people's soul. And they know how important it is that they cannot do their physical work as how they want to do their physical work. So they urge them with much need the apostle pass and send them on their journey. Now when the apostle them a function, they never have no overhead. Today we have overhead, we have building, we have mortgage to pay. We have to pay light bill. We have to pay gas bill. We have to pay internet bill. That's why Spirit of God said money answers everything.
Yeah.
So we do adjustment. So nobody never come with no agriculture. Because few people today